In today's video, I'm going to teach you Trello, how to use stickers as visual workflow signals with automation. Start by opening Trello and signing in to your account. Once you're in, go straight to the board where you want to use stickers. This is the board that contains the cards you want to highlight visually, so make sure you're in the right workspace before moving on. Now look to the top right area of the board and click the three-dot menu. This opens the board menu, where Trello keeps several extra options and tools. From there, scroll down until you find stickers. Then click it. This will open the sticker panel, where you can browse through Trello's built-in sticker collection. Next, scroll through the available stickers and choose the one that best matches the signal you want to give. For example, you might use one sticker to mark cards that need urgent attention, another to show something is approved, or one that simply helps your team notice a task more quickly. The main idea is to use stickers consistently, so they become an easy visual shortcut in your workflow. Once you've picked a sticker, click it and drag it directly onto the card where you want it to appear. Drop it in place and Trello will attach that sticker to the card. This is helpful when you want a card to stand out without changing its title or adding extra text. It gives you a fast visual cue that people can recognize at a glance. That's really the full process. Open your board, go into the three-dot menu, choose Stickers, browse the options, and drag your selected sticker onto the card you want to mark. When used well, stickers can act like lightweight workflow signals, making boards easier to scan and understand. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. A useful tip here is to think of stickers as part of a visual system rather than random decoration. If you always use the same sticker for the same kind of task, your board becomes much easier to read, especially when multiple people are collaborating. It also helps reduce confusion, because team members can quickly understand what a sticker means without opening every card. Another good habit is to place stickers intentionally on the most important cards rather than using them everywhere. That way they continue to stand out and remain effective. And if you ever feel your board is getting too busy, you can keep your sticker use simple and focused on just a few key signals. With that, you now know how to use Trello stickers as visual workflow signals on your board.